Geographic Information System (GIS) uses space technology to organize the content of our world by representing spatial data, that is location and attribute data, with digital map overlays. Through a simple visual representation, GIS reveals deeper insights into multi-sector data, helping user with better analysis and smarter decisions. National Center of Geoinformatics is one of its kind GIS platform that leverages central and state government's GIS data source to implement location-based analytics and create user-friendly decision support systems to usher in maximum governance with minimum government. GIS for Aspirational Districts is one such key initiative aimed to transform government services at the grassroots level. With application of GIS solutions, now the local administration can plan delivery of services such as setting up of rural health centers or primary schools more effectively. Mapping of water resources under Accelerated Irrigation Benefits Program has resulted in better planning. With use of GIS-based analytics, repair, renovation and restoration of water bodies now can be done with greater efficiency. GIS for Soil Information System integrates Soil Health Card with soil survey data of Indian Council of Agricultural Research (ICAR) and represents soil information on the GIS platform, as well as provides crop recommendations through friendly mobile app.
भाई ये मट्टी की जानकारी हमने इस फोन पे भी मिलने लगी है और हम किसान भाइयों ने इस टेक्नोलॉजी का फायदा उठा लेना चाहिए.
For National Highways Authority of India, geo-mapping of the entire highway network has been accomplished with advanced analytics, incorporating attributes such as construction progress, status of land and its clearance, commercial operations, facilitating proficient planning and monitoring of execution. Industrial Information System provides GIS-based master plan for industrial areas, zones, parks with details of internal and external infrastructure, as well as mapping of raw materials around the country. Constant collaboration with the user agencies ensures maximum customization. Securing country's natural resources. Mining Surveillance System is one of the first such geoinformatics-based surveillance systems developed in the world, where even a citizen can register a complaint through a simple mobile app. Any unauthorized activity around the approved mining lease gets detected and generates a trigger, which is communicated, prompting inspection by the officials. Securing safety of its citizens. Delhi Dark Spot Analysis helps Delhi Police to ensure that dark areas are now a history. One Touch Away app in hand is like wearing an armor of Delhi Police.
लड़कियों की सेफ्टी के लिए हमने जो ये एप्लीकेशन बनाया है, so we feel very proud.
Now that I know somebody is taking care, I feel safe and secure.
Providing tailor-made solutions which are acceptable, giving ownership to the collaborators, adoptable, seamless integration with the existing systems, affordable, developed through in-house technology, ensuring multiple use of the same data set, and available because of cloud-based delivery.
आपने देखा, इंडिया में गवर्नमेंट और प्राइवेट सेक्टर दोनों में जियो इन्फॉर्मेटिक्स टेक्नोलॉजी का एडवांस लेवल पे यूज हो रहा है. अगर आप इस हाई ग्रोथ फील्ड में अपना करियर बनाना चाहते हैं तो NIGMT फाउंडेशन के साथ जुड़िए. NIGMT प्रोफेशनल ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स प्रोवाइड करता है इंडस्ट्री ओरिएंटेड स्किल्स के साथ डेडिकेटेड प्लेसमेंट सपोर्ट, ताकि आप कॉन्फिडेंटली जियोस्पेशियल इंडस्ट्री में एंटर कर सकें.